Hey guys, welcome to this iOS 18 guide, and here I'll detail how to turn on scientific calculator on iPhone iOS 18. So literally, the iOS 17 calculator is just the basic function of calculators where you can just use multiplication, addition, subtraction, and this what you're seeing on the screen. But with the new iOS 18, there comes a scientific calculator function you can use on your iPhone and also a converter calculator function on your iOS 18 device. So if at the end of this you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now to turn on or enable scientific calculator on iPhone iOS 18, all you just need to do is go ahead and open the calculator app on your iPhone. Then once you open the calculator app on your iPhone, click on the calculator button at the bottom left. Now once you click on it, you're going to see 4 options pops. These include basic, scientific, math note, and convert. Now go ahead and tap scientific. Once you tap that, if you see the scientific calculator pop like this, then if you choose to rotate your iPhone screen, this is going to rotate the scientific calculator on your iPhone. Then you can have access to things like radian, sine, cos, tan, pi, rad, and all the scientific functions. Then you can perform scientific function on your iPhone using the scientific calculator. Then like this. So this is just the basic scientific calculator you have out there, which is different from the default calculator on your iPhone. So if you want to use the scientific calculator, you just need to do is just click on this calculator button and then select scientific. And once you select scientific, the basic iPhone calculator is going to change to scientific calculator. And if you want to go back to the basic, click on the calculator icon at the bottom left, and again go ahead and select basic. So that is how you can easily switch from basic calculator to scientific calculator on iPhone on iOS 18. So if you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.